Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create area chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data, order ID and total price. So here I'm going to create area chart. To create chart, simply select the data. You can just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. Then go to the insert tab, then click on the chart option. And here you can see your chart is inserted and chart editor and setup and customize tab also added here. Okay, so here I'm going to create the area chart. In chart editor in setup, the chart tab is the selected chart is a pie chart. So here I want now area chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and drag below. And here you can see there are three types of area chart is available. I click on the first one and that's it. Here you can see your area chart is created. Okay. You can easily minimize the size with the drag with the corner point and minimize your chart size. If you want to increase, just drag with the corner point and you can increase the size of the chart. Now I'm going to customize the chart. Just click on the customize tab and here you can see there are so many options to customize your chart. In chart style, you can change the background color of the chart. Just click on this arrow and select the color those you want. So I select here the different color. You can see the changes over here. Okay. Then you can change here the font style also. So I select here the font, different font. Then I click on this arrow again. You can change the horizontal axis. This is the horizontal axis and this is a vertical axis. The order ID in horizontal and total price in vertical. In horizontal, you can change the font style, font size. So I select the font label. You can see the font change. Font size also you can select here. I select here the 12. Label format, bold, italic, you can change. Text color also you can change here. I select here the text color. See the changes over here. I select the different colors. See in order ID in different colors. Vertical is same option is available to font size. You can change and text color also change. I select here the text color and see the changes over here. Label format, bold, I set bold, then italic, see the italic, the vertical axis showing. Okay. And if you want to change the chart title, just click on this arrow. The chart title is the total price. See here, this is a chart title. You can edit here your the chart title. So I just edit here the sales data. Okay. See here, your chart title is changed. I just edit here. Okay. Then you can change the font of title also. I select this one. Font size also you can change. Bold, if you want bold, select it. Title color also you can select here different. See, sales data is showing the different way. Okay. So this is the way you can change the title also. So these are the customize option. You can use this option to customize your the area chart. Okay. And after that, just close it. And if you want to open chart editor again, just click on the chart and click on the three dot and click on the edit chart option. And that's it. Here the chart editor is again open. Now you can customize again those you want. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.